Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Felicia Heavican about Fungicide, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now Felicia is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We always love our Wednesdays here because it's Common Ground Day and they share fabulous recipes. Felicia is back now and she has her daughter Haley here. Haley, you're 11?
Yes.
Okay, where do you go to school?
North Dakota.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, good to have you here today, honey. So she's here and she is going to help us. Do you like these zucchini fries?
Yeah.
They're okay. Okay, all right. How do we do it, Mom?
Awesome. So I'm sure like everyone, or myself and maybe everyone else who has a garden, zucchini is pretty abundant and you're always looking for recipes. So that's kind of what prompted me to find this one. So we have zucchini fries, and part of the instructions include slicing up your zucchini and patting them dry to make sure you get quite a bit of the liquid out. And then my fingers are getting a little messy here, but you're going to cover them in flour and then dip them in your egg and milk mixture. Make sure you get it pretty coated so that your breadcrumbs and Parmesan stick. And then make sure you coat them as heavy as you'd like. I always like quite a bit of breading.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna throw them in your frying pan to fry them. And I would imagine you can do this in an air fryer as well. Then you're not getting the oil everywhere. But
How long do you fry them for?
and depending on how hot your oil is, I think I did about 2 to 3 minutes. So,
Okay,
and
so
make
not
sure you're
very long.
flipping them. Yes.
Okay, so we're looking at the ingredients here. Not a lot of ingredients. Should be pretty simple to do. I suppose the toughest part is just getting the zucchini sliced up.
Yeah, it's just the work of breading it all is probably the hardest part. What I like to do is coat them all and lay them out so then I can fry them in batches.
Okay, great. And then do you make lots of these for the family typically?
Yes and no. Their kids aren't a fan of the zucchini, but
You don't
Mom and Dad
do
like
you
it.
like vegetables?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay, well, this is a way to introduce you to vegetables,
Yes,
right?
and-
Okay, these look really good. I'm going to give it a try.
Well, as a forewarning, they were warmed up this morning, so I don't know if they're as crispy as they'd be as you would normally make
Right.
them, but
They are good because I love zucchini.
I think they would be good if you made a little homemade dip or used ranch as well too.
Oh, right. And I know as we head into September now, this is the time of year when you get a lot of zucchini.
Yeah.
People are like giving it to their friends. So this would be a great recipe to use for
Yeah.
that. Okay, cool. So we do have this on our Facebook pages, on my Facebook page, and on the Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to give it a try. Zucchini fries.
Yes.
A healthy alternative, huh? Huh? You'll
Probably
like
not
'em.
as good as
Someday
potatoes.
you'll like them. All right. Thank you, Felicia.
Yes, thank you.
All right, back to you, Judge.